Today I'm going to show you how to make a cleaning paste for your house without using any harsh chemicals. Using harsh chemicals in our home or allowing them to go down our drains is really bad for the environment. So today we're going to make a paste that doesn't have any of that involved. The items you will need are baking soda, Castile soap, and water. What you're going to do is get a small Tupperware dish or any other resealable small container. You're going to mix 1/4 cup of baking soda, a teaspoon of Castile soap, and just enough water to make a paste. I use this paste most often in my bathroom for the gunk in the shower or the hard water stains in the toilet, or it works wonders for your kitchen sink. If you have a cleaning paste that you love without any harsh chemicals, please share the recipe down below. I would love to hear from you. Welcome to DIY Your Life. If you love DIYing, organizational cleaning and craft videos just as much as I do, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon next to subscribe so you never miss a video. You might have some friends and family who love DIY just as much as you. Be sure to share this video and all of the videos that I have on your social media so that way everyone can benefit. Also, right down there is the thumbs up button. Click it for me, will ya? Thanks.